guys, welcome back to Simply Living and welcome to today's episode. So I know that I've always bragged about Target Dollar Spot items, so here I am to show you how I use them in my home as decor, obviously in a lot of ways, but these are the things that I found or that I picked up from the spring release. They had a lot of cute ones, but I went with these only, and these vases were from the release before. I think it was for like the Valentine's or winter collection. I actually wanted the white and gray only, but I only found one, but I ended up getting the green ones anyway because they still go in my neutral palette and they still look good anyways. So anyways, I did pick up some greenery. I don't know what kind of plant this is supposed to be. They look like the silver dollar eucalyptus, but I may be wrong. But anyways, I decided to decorate the gray one prettier than the rest actually, because I was gonna leave that or actually use that one as a statement piece for my dining table, and I ended up using eucalyptus, like the dried up eucalyptus that I already had in hand, and used them in the rest of the vases. Now, my soap station is the one item that I get asked about the most, so I'm going to show you how I decorated it. So what I use is just a simple food tray, and I picked the larger one because I want to have enough space for everything to fit in here. And I used this little stand that I found at the Target Dollar Spot maybe like last year, and of course one of the vases. And instead of using like the bowl that you would find online, I don't remember, like the soap bowl, I used a ramekin and used my own brush, just because I need a bigger bowl, because otherwise I would always find myself refilling the bowl with soap constantly, and it was kind of annoying. Moving on to the bedroom decor, I actually only used these two in my room, or the master bedroom. I used the black and the white and black one. I wish that I had two black ones because I like them better, but my Target is not always stocked, or fully stocked at least, and I kind of hate that, but I sometimes get luck. I guess I can't complain. So I did end up using only one branch of the greenery that I got at Target, and then just a few or a couple of the dried eucalyptus branches, because I didn't want to overfill it. I don't like when things look too crowded, and it looked too plain in my opinion, and that's why I added just two branches of the eucalyptus, and I actually really liked how they looked. I still need to add more pieces to the nightstand, but as of right now, this looks good because, you guys, just decorating your home in general can be expensive. But anyways, this is my husband's nightstand, and I really like how the black looks. I chose it for him because it's more of a masculine color. By the way, don't mind my tiny lamp. I am planning on buying new ones. Moving on to the bathroom, I'm kind of incorporating the same type of dish soap station in the bathroom as well. I've had this vase for almost a year, I think. I've got it at the Dollar Spot as well, and I'm just adding some greenery to it. And I like to use the platter because it actually makes it look more like organized or put together versus just them hanging around. I'm gonna use this tray to hold I guess my basket of towels together. It's just so that it looks more nicer and, like I said, put together. The little basket I actually got at the Target Dollar Spot as well, and the little basket was $3, so it was really good deal. And I just kind of, I guess, added like little elements to it just to make it look cuter. If I don't like it in the end, I'm always gonna move stuff around. That's just how I am. But I actually really love this basket, and I'm so glad that I got it. They also had a bigger one for $5, which is such a steal, and I kind of wish that I should have gotten the other one too. moving back into the living room, we are at the entryway, and I decided to add a few pieces to my entryway table as well. I normally don't know what I'm doing. I just move things around and I guess kind of, so yeah, that's typically what I go for. I always suggest though that when you are putting pieces together, do it in odd numbers. It's just something about odd numbers that makes it look good for some reason. It's like appealing to the eye. And yeah, I actually decided to just leave these pieces here, and I moved the vases somewhere else around the house. But this is what I do, you guys. I just move them around and step back and kind of glance at it, and that's just typically what you have to do. And that is all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.